Morning, everybody. Day 3 of bathroom restoration is underway. So what I'm doing now is starting to top fill here before we paint and put the trim molding back on. It's a tedious process, but it has to be done, and it has to be done well. That's how we're going to start today. Going to be starting to get progressively hotter here, so it'll be like an Indian sweat tent. Yeah, let's get going. Boy, you talk about having a nice wang to it. I had to remove the, want to put some more towel down, and that thing stunk to high Ave, and I got joy juice all over the floor. Good thing we got an exhaust fan, guys. It'll also give me a chance to mount the new setup for the sink. It's come along a real long way. I've just got some of the fine cutting work to do down in Stinkville down there. I got to put the glass to the corners. I have to roll all this wall too. You should always roll tile when you're done. Adhesive tile. You get perfect adhesion. Let's continue on. Stink Pot Incorporated. I think that wall turned out really, really well. Now to the point I want to change out the sink here. Nothing like a little sewer gas to brighten your day. Actually kind of felt sick to my stomach. Might be because I've been drinking too much water, but time to change out the faucet. Ooh, 115 off the Lowe's. I forgot my plumber's tape. Gotta go get it. Gotta do a good job hooking up the sink. Alright guys, it is time to end day 3 of the bathroom renovation, and I think things are looking pretty sharp. I kind of ran out of gas. Still have some more work to do down here. I got all of the plumbing done now. That's looking a lot sharper there. And got the new fixture in here. Looking good. I have to put a couple more pieces back in Joy Juice Central back there. That's probably as clean as it's been in years. So I'm also sealing the corners with the seal, the appliance and kitchen seal, which will be really good. Trick is you got to stop water intrusion from going into that fiber board, and that's exactly what this is going to do. So I want to thank you guys for being along. Your thumbs up are very appreciated. Your support has been wonderful. You guys really financed this project, and I know Father's very appreciative. So tomorrow we should be able to do some painting, and the cabinet was delivered today, which is exciting. We got to put that together. Father helped me carry it. The guy dumped it out front. That's the new cabinet right there. So all right, Father. I have to tell Father at 5 o'clock I always punch the clock. I ain't a priest. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.